Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access the Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Following that, hit Edit button and change wherever you wish to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!